We've had a great month delivering all the prizes from our SkillsUSA competition. I'm here to congratulate Aiden Bernier on first place for Automotive Service Technology. All right, great job.
Congratulations, Caleb. You got this tool cart.
I placed first in Automotive Service Technology.
I placed first in the automotive refinishing.
I got second place in the dent repair.
I placed second.
I placed second.
And I placed first.
We have some awesome tools that were donated through members of the New Hampshire Auto Dealers Association, and students are wicked psyched about it.
I'm super appreciative, and I'm a big fan of Harbor Freight myself, so it's really awesome to get some of their tools.
I'm pretty happy about them. They're gonna help me out.
Rubbed it in my friend's face that didn't place.
I didn't expect to win anything, so definitely really excited about it.
It's heavy, I'll tell you that.
I'm really happy with what I got between the tool cart and the kit, because I do not have a tool cart, and it's amazing.
Great to come down here today and talk to the kids, sponsoring the skills competition and getting to know these guys and see the winners and kind of spread the word about the industry, and it was a really good time. I'm glad I can be a part of it.
We really like doing the promotions with the tools and helping the mechanics out.
I just want to thank them very much, because I really am just extremely appreciative of what they have done for me.
I'd like to thank them because, well, it's obviously a big help.
I'm very thankful for everybody involved.
Thank you. We all appreciate it. It makes it fun competing for something.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
It sure makes it a lot better knowing that there's something in it.
We couldn't have done any of this without our sponsors, Nucar, Naults, TMS Diesel, and MB Tractor. Huge thank you to all of them.